Today's Cinco de Mayo. So I was like wondering, what should I do Cinco de Mayo? Maybe like a Mexican game? Who knows? I chose this. Yeah. I celebrate Cinco de Mayo weirdly. Okay, I played a little bit just to get the hang of it. I'm supposed to wake up now, and it's kind of funny. What's this? Oh, it's a beast! Look at it, so determined. Go owl. Yeah. Pigs. Yeah. This game is just weird. Yay! Okay. No, look at what these zebras do. Oh my god. Do you see this face? Oh, do you see it? Okay, you enemy. What is this? What is this? Look at this derpy face. Oh, so cute. It's Shrek. I just can't do this. Yay. Bowling ball. Okay. Cinco. It's time for your perfect Cinco de Mayo. What do you do? Play bowling ball with giraffes and a cow with an elephant. I just don't. I just can't anymore. I just can't. This isn't even the start of it. This is like this is like literally this is like the third or the fourth video. I haven't made it. I already can't do it anymore. This game is just weird. Okay, I've seen what penguins can do. Okay. Spinning round and round like a light bulb, like a light bulb. Those penguins look like they're glitching out. Okay, now I have to use it. Okay. Set. Yeah. Only geniuses could have solved that puzzle. Absolute. That was amazing. Just like elephant and bowling ball. This was totally not worth it. For Cinco de Mayo, I should probably have done something like, I don't know. Hashtag trick shot. Boing. Okay. This is an NBA star. See? LeBron Nay. Get it? Nay. I'm not that good. I'm not that good at that stuff. It's Le Owl. Le Cow. It's Le Cow. By the way, if anyone wants to know why I'm saying Le, it's probably because I'm insane. But I don't know, I just like the word Le. I don't know what to call this. Stupid. Okay. I just don't even know what's happening here. This is the Matrix. Hashtag the Matrix. This is truly what you do on Cinco de Mayo. Try to wake up an elephant with strange zoo animals. But do this. Do you see this? Do you see what this zebra is doing? What are you? You're making the face. What are you doing? Like, you're drinking too much Red Bull, zebra. I'm gonna call you Red Bull. The zebra is drinking way too much Red Bull. Do you see it? It's like twitching. This thing is drinking way too much Red Bull. Yeah, okay. I don't even know what to say about the penguin. I usually have some like judgy thing to say, but I don't even know what to say. Those penguins are just straight up messed up. And these zebras, they're drinking way too much Red Bull. Hashtag Cinco de Mayo. This is truly the revenge of the 5th. Hashtag Star Wars puns. Congrats, me. Okay, I have a feeling something's not going. Okay. Oh yeah, I see what I'm supposed to do. This is gonna be what is about to happen is going to be Total Matrix. Hashtag Matrix. I know that was kind of bad, but you'll see what I mean. I'm pretty sure you could probably already see what I'm doing, but hashtag trick shot. Oh, okay. Trick shot! Trick shot! Oh my god! Hashtag trick shot! This is Matrix. Hashtag Matrix. Cinco de Matrix. Do you see what's happening here? I just can't even anymore. God, please help me. What is this? This penguin is messed up, I tell you. This penguin is messed up. What are you even floating on? A dream cloud? Got it. I don't judge you at all. Okay. Just look at this penguin. Seriously. I'm saying the zebra has drinking too much Red Bull. These guys have had like a serious overdose of Red Bull. Hashtag trick shot. Boing. This is the true Matrix. Oh, watch this. Hashtag trick shot. Matrix. Matrix is coming. The Matrix are coming. Oh no. Boom! Boom, Matrix! This is the true Matrix! True Matrix! This is the Matrix, people! This is the Matrix. This is the Matrix, people. Sorry if I was speaking a little bit too low. I do that sometimes. I don't even know what to say about this game anymore. Like, these animals have had drinking overdose of Red Bull. Hashtag Cinco de Matrix. Well, these animals have drinking an overdose of Red Bull. I'm kind of debating right now, just saying, about calling this Cinco de Matrix or overdose of Red Bull. Cinco de Matrix, probably. I don't know. You'll probably figure it out if you ever even actually watch it. If you are actually watching this, then oh my god, you must probably be insane. But or you're stalking me. Hold on, wait, no, hold on. Epic Matrix shot. This is the Matrix. Hashtag Matrix. This is the Matrix. This is the Matrix, people. This is the Matrix. Matrix. This is the Matrix. Ooh, hashtag Matrix. Matrix. Oh. I have to like aim this perfectly. If I can get this shot, then this is the Matrix. If I can accomplish this shot, then this is the true Matrix. Let's wait a little bit longer, then release the red bald apple. Can you at least even? Wait a little bit later this time. Come on, bounce up. I know. This is going to be the Matrix if I can accomplish this. Yes. Boing, boing. Yeah. I gotta have a miracle if I'm ever going to accomplish it. Whee! Screw you, pig. What do you watch? Hold on. Wait a little bit. Elephant, you won't be sleeping for long. Yeah, this. Can't even. This is like impossible. It's the Matrix. If I can, this is gonna be my goal for this video. Accomplish this. I'm actually starting a new thing via this video. Not because of this video, but every video I try to accomplish a goal. Yeah, I try to accomplish a goal. For this goal, I'm putting level 18. Snoring. Called snoring. Yay. What a realistic name. Hold on. No, oh my god. The Matrix are going to come. The Matrix are going to come right now. The Matrix. There. Alright. The Matrix. No, this is going to be the Matrix. Right here. Matrix. Oh my god. The Matrix. Oh my god, do you see this? This is the Matrix. This is the Matrix. This is Sparta, people. This is the Matrix. Hashtag Matrix. Tracer! Oh, not. Red Bull Zebra and Mr. Owl. This owl just seems determined to kill everything. Playing my best. Playing football here with random green clouds. This just shows you how weird this game is. Look at the owl, so determined to wake up. Wake up at night. Oh, I don't know why. Oh, here's. This thing is like, I don't even know. This thing has had way too much Red Bull. This thing has way too much Red Bull. This thing is out to kill us all. And this thing is just straight up messed up. This game, true Matrix. Yay! It's the Zebra. I mean, not the... Boing. Now if I just wait. Boing. Well, Mr. Zebra, if I can, I seem to have my goal for the video has been done, but I might add a second goal, which is like OP. Because like this is just the Matrix, but my goal is done already. And that level was like pretty much impossible. This game has turned from trying to wake up an elephant to... Hold on. Absolute Matrix. This is going to be the Matrix moment. I'm gonna need to catapult this or something. Red Bull Zebra. okay. This is going to be like the Matrix right now. You know what? Screw that level 18 one. This is going to be my true goal. Trying to accomplish this. What is this? I don't even know if this is going to be my goal because these levels are just endless. When it gets all the way to the top, I'm just gonna release the penguin. Even this zebra is strong. Oh, this owl is just so determined to kill us. Do you see this? Watch its eyes. So determined. Maybe it's just really angry because that would have been an absolute Matrix. This elephant is starting to annoy me. Whee! I'm gonna try this. Oh no! This thing, I don't even know right now. This is just truly the Matrix. Until I accomplish this level, I will not even think about it. I just don't even. Luckily, the sound of my voice should be enough. Sorry, I don't do a lot of editing because I don't believe that you should care really. Like, skip a little bit ahead if you don't want to watch me keep failing. But I tell you by the end of this video, like, I'm pretty sure by the end of this video I will be done. So, but if I'm not, well then. Blame the Red Bull Zebra. This thing is extremely messed up. Like, simply messed up. Okay, Mr. Zebra. Mr. Red Bull Zebra. This is just singled and messed up. Come on, my bumps a little bit back around. I can give it a little push. Oh, yay. Hold on. Matrix moment. Matrix moment. Kind of like support it as it goes up. This is just impossible. Oh jeez, I gotta complete this. Do I need to like support both sides? Do you see the zebra? I'm gonna immediately like ready for this. This is going to be the true accomplishment. The true accomplishment. somehow completing this level. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out how to do this. Sorry for the silence. Okay, this is just straight up impossible. Cinco de mesa. Cinco de mesa. I know in Spanish that means the day it's messed up. But I don't even care. What if I dodged it by having the zebra jump up? The only reason it isn't okay, now's the time. Penguin, be free! No! So close! I just straight up need this thing to get down and then I'll jump. I just don't even know. I'm trying my hardest. This is the impossible quiz all over again. Though I've never played the game, I have heard many really bad reviews of people and watched many YouTube videos. And so. Wow. I think it kind of needs oh, like this. I see. You just ride it like a ramp like that. I just can't even. I'm not even trying anymore. Oh God. If I can complete this, then it is the ultimate achievement. I'm just not even. I just don't even know. How do I complete this? Hold on, maybe if I can launch it. What if I launched it? Okay. That's up, and now I need to launch it. Okay. Need to launch it in the air. just need to like wobble the penguin all the way up there. Oh, the Matrix! The Matrix! Oh yes, yes, the Matrix. The Matrix have just happened. This is the Matrix. Sorry, I was like blocking you for a second there. I hope you had a good time. I certainly did. Oh, sorry, my mother like shut the screen but I hope you had a really good time watching this video. Have a happy Cinco de Mayo for those who are Mexican. I know I had a happy Cinco de Mayo, even though I had like a doctor's appointment today. But whatever. I had an awesome Cinco de Mayo, especially playing this game. This thing is just straight up messed up. So I was like playing it, and then I watched it, and then I started like actually playing it up to level 6, and I'm like, oh my god, what is this? This is just messed up. So I decided, you know what? Who would like this? The like 1 or 2 viewers who actually have watched my channel. I hope that if you are watching this, you had a good time watching me Shrek elephants with pigs and weird over hyperactive penguins and zebras that have drinking way too many Red Bulls.